Good morning, everybody. This is day number 6 of living on $100 here in Lebanon. And as you can see, we have $18 left. I'm not gonna lie, I am in such a great mood. This apartment is fantastic. Oh, I love this country. Ever since I found this apartment, I want to stay here. Let's go get some food. How do you guys feel about some pastries? We got this chocolate-filled croissant for 24 cents. 24 cents. Let's also get some potassium while we're here. These 2 bananas were 19 cents. 19 cents for 2 bananas. That's really good. But what I'm really looking for is some more of that Mantumi pizza stuff. I found some. So I'm realizing that I'm a little bit socially awkward. I've gone to 2 restaurants so far that sell that Mantumi pizza stuff. And I had to walk away from both of them because they're both like super packed with crowds of people. And I don't want to have the cashier have to like wait for me to like try to translate what it is that I'm trying to order. So I get super embarrassed and I just walk away. I want to find a store that is less busy that I can talk to them and they'll humor me. Maybe I can figure out how to order from this place. Nope, they're closed and they didn't speak English. Or they just didn't speak English and they wouldn't serve me. I don't know. No pizza there. I've been walking around for over an hour now looking for a place that will serve me this food. I don't think I'm gonna find one. I think this is the first American car I've seen since I've come here. And of course it's a cop car. Totally defunct. So instead of pizza, we are gonna go back to the bakery and we are gonna get more of those chocolate covered or chocolate filled croissants. Thank you very much. Now I just need a Pepsi to finish it off. This altogether was 89 cents. We got 3 of the little chocolate things and we got a big Diet Pepsi. 89 cents. Now that I've got a really nice place with pretty consistent electricity, air conditioning, and a little shelf that I can work on, I'm gonna go get some Red Bull and we're gonna go get some work done for the first time in like 2 weeks. Typically, I would go get a couple cans of Red Bull, go back to work, but Red Bull is not made in Lebanon, which means it's imported, which means it's going to be prohibitively expensive. We need to find some kind of local energy drink. Yeah, they don't even sell Red Bull here. But now that I have an apartment, we can get real food and we don't need to worry about anybody stealing it. So let's get some cereal. Looks like we can get these cornflakes here for $1.50. So it looks like they put their milk in buckets. It's disappointing because I thought bags were confusing. This is probably milk, right? I see it says Dairy Farms on it, full fat. This is, let me shake it, see what the consistency is. Oh, it seems real thick. Nope, that's not milk. This looks more milky, like it's got like the milk bottle. Oh my God, I'm so confused. I'm gonna go with this. I'm going to assume that this is the milk. I really hope it's not yogurt or like sour cream. I would like to get macaroni and cheese or eggs right here, but I don't have a stove to cook them on. So I'm stuck with stuff that I can make in a bowl. I do have a fridge, so I can keep things cold, I think. But we can do canned food as long as it's got that little thing on the top because I don't have a can opener. Oh, but we can do like these little ramen noodle things. Now we can get some tuna fish for protein. I'm gonna take a second to show you guys the supermarket here because a lot of the times when you hear about places that are experiencing hyperinflation, you hear about stores that have no food on the shelves, but no, this place is definitely well stocked. It's a regular supermarket. I put the milk back. We're just gonna use water because I don't want a repeat of what we did in Ukraine. This whole thing costs $3.07. I'll go into what we got more later, but right now that I've got internet connection again, now that I'm out of the supermarket, we are gonna go research what milk in Lebanon looks like. Apparently this is what Lebanese milk looks like, and I didn't see any of that there, so I'm gonna assume they don't have milk. I was able to go to a small little store and pick up some milk though. So we have milk, we have water. I think we can grocery now. So the milk and the water will go in the fridge. This is definitely cold. It won't stay cold because the power keeps going out, but should keep it good. I did, however, just realize that I don't have a microwave. Like this place doesn't have a microwave. So I don't have any way to cook these noodles. The only source of heat that I have is from this water heater right here. I might be able to turn that on and get hot enough water out of the sink to be able to cook the noodles. Maybe. But then when we do that, we'll put some tuna fish in there. We'll get some tuna fish noodles. Oh, by the way, the milk was $1.09. So the whole thing together, $3.04 plus $1.09. I'll have the number up on the screen when I do the math for this video. While the water tank heats up, we are going to eat some cereal. And I want to show you guys this. They put their cereal in like basically a Ziploc bag. So it's super resealable. That's kind of cool.
4, or Macau's 324.
It's so hard to do with one hand. God damn it. Milk, 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 milk. Yeah, I'm not using water this time. I just realized that I actually can't use that water to heat up my top ramen because you can't drink the water here. So I can only use this water right here, which is cold. So I need to get creative if I want to find a way to heat up my top ramen. I might be able to use this little kettle thing, actually. Oh, yeah, I can use this. Shit. It doesn't look especially clean, but at the same time, I ate off the ground, so whatever, I'll deal with it. Clean water goes in the fancy heater. There's not an outlet in the kitchen, so this is how we're gonna heat up our water. Put the noodles in the bowl. They're not even able to submerge themselves. Okay, so we will put the spoon on the noodle. Yeah, they're not submerged. But it turns out I don't actually have forks. I have spoons. So, spoons. And let's get our protein for the day. Gotta drain it out first because tuna fish is fun like that. It looks browner than the tuna fish I'm used to. Honestly, not too shabby. This looks pretty good. It smells pretty good too, honestly. This is actually fantastic. I'm really happy with this. I did have to spend another $10 on the apartment here. That gives us like $3 left up in the budget, which is obviously not enough to last for another day, so that makes this the season finale of Lebanon. I'm gonna be here for like 11 more days because that's when my flight to Greece is, and we'll start the next season in Greece. That means the only thing we have left to do right now is to place Lebanon on the leaderboard of affordability for the excessively frugal. We made it 6 days here, which puts that in 3rd place, just behind Poland, which got 8 days, Ukraine and Turkey, which got 7 days. We have Lebanon here at 6. We might have been able to do better now that I'm like more familiar with how this works and how to get cheap food, but I would say that 6 days is probably a rough estimate for what you could expect to get when you're here. Oh, and keep in mind, we were not able to earn any money while we were here, so if you're in a situation where you are able to get actual dollars in Lebanon, you could probably last much longer. I just couldn't because you can't earn money here. So for the next 11 days, I am still going to be making content every day, but they're not going to be vlogs. I want to start experimenting with other types of content, like narration and talking to the camera and like exploring tech, and I want to make other kinds of videos beyond vlogs, and I think that this is a great opportunity to learn how to do that because I'm isolated by myself. I've got great lighting and relatively solid internet. So for the next 10 days, I'm going to be experimenting with other types of content beyond living on a $100 series. This is my way of telling you that the next couple of videos are going to be trash, but that they're a learning experience and hopefully I'll be able to get better over time. If you guys want to see what happened yesterday, you can click this card right here. If you want to see the next form of content that I make, click this card right here.